AI is revolutionizing industries, telemarketing, programming, medicine, but what about fitness? Hi everyone, my name is Mike. I've created a tool that automates workout video creation for online trainers. You can go ahead and try it on fitcatpro.com. With my background in fitness and tech innovation, I am proud to pioneer technology that reshapes our industry. Advanced AI tools like ChatGPT can now build professional workout plans. You can specify your schedule, your workout goal and limitations, and the system builds a detailed breakdown of a weekly plan for you. Emerging tech, such as Tesla robots, might help you perform exercises. You will be able to switch them to trainer mode, and they will demonstrate an exercise for you, or even train you through a whole workout. But it doesn't end there. The new VR devices creating immersive virtual experiences are changing the way that we train at home. Can you imagine yourself training underwater by lifting a submarine, or opening large castle gates while actually working on your pecs, or maybe squatting in space with a planet on top of your shoulders? Even though advanced robots offer unique physical demonstrations, their high cost and inability to match human agility remain significant challenges. First of all, our muscles grow through challenge and resistance. It's that one more rep moment when your muscle hurts that produces the most impact. And only a human can truly feel when it's time for that one more rep. A robot doesn't get tired or slow down its pace like humans do. Then again, unlike robots, the human body isn't perfect. We all have our stronger and weaker muscles, which need to be taken into account. Typically, exercises pump one major muscle group, but use an array of assisting muscles for support, right? If one of those are strained or weakened, we might want to rethink the way that we perform the exercise to increase the effectiveness and avoid causing damage. And finally, the longer we train, the more weight we can train with. It is up to us to feel when we are ready to increase the resistance. Whenever we do so, the pace at which we perform the exercise changes, and so does our experience. No robot can actually guide us to navigate that experience. As AI and robotics advance, many wonder if these new technologies could disrupt traditional personal training roles and leave people out of jobs. This topic steers debate across our whole industry. Before COVID-19, most of the training happened in the gym, right? People used to exercise one-on-one with personal trainers or in scheduled group classes, but COVID-19 forced the industry to adapt and rely on online solutions. And now, 5 years later, we can't put the genie back in a box. The popularity of online sessions and the rise of generative AI gave rise to a new trend: AI-generated online trainers. So if ChatGPT can build our workout plan, Tesla robots can demonstrate our exercises, and generated coaches can oversee our workout sessions. Does the industry even need humans at this point? And what does it mean for fitness trainers? Despite technological advancement, nothing replaces the authenticity of human coaching. Here's an example written by a trainee named Nancy. Hi, my name is Nancy and I work as a news presenter. My job can be demanding at times, barely leaving any spare room for the gym. I use ChatGPT to generate workout plans and an AI-generated coach to assist me online so that I can train at home. I did my best to follow the instructions, but it didn't quite work out for me. I was too stressed and wanted to maximize efficiency, but lacked the emotional insight. I found my workout sessions disjointed and overwhelming. I started losing motivation. No technological advancement could replace the expert guidance and the emotional support I got from a human trainer. Only a real trainer could provide that individual approach that makes each workout unique. The energy of group sessions and the community vibes create a dynamic and supporting environment that no AI will ever replace. During exercises, human trainers bring agile movements and spontaneous adjustments. Current robots and AI systems cannot emulate those. A human trainer can motivate the group to push their boundaries. A human trainer can feel when the client needs to be pushed forward and do that one more rep, or tell them to take a rest. A human trainer knows how to make the workouts a pleasant experience, even though the training itself is sometimes painful. I believe that personal trainers can leverage AI to add value to their services. AI can handle routine tasks such as tracking progress and making basic plan adjustments or highlights. It frees trainers from mundane tasks and allow them to focus on personalized coaching and interactions. The future isn't about replacing us, it's about enhancing our capabilities. Let the machine handle all the technicalities such as monitoring activity and performance, tracking the client's progress, and flagging clients who need help. Instead, focus on personal guidance, emotional support, and individual approach. So, while AI is making huge steps in tech and innovation, The human connection in fitness remains irreplaceable. So what do you think? Is AI a threat to personal trainers or a means to improve their daily practice? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and go to fitcatpro.com. Try out our platform free of charge. We don't need any credit card. Simply go ahead and take the trial.